A court in Jammu and Kashmir restrained the promoters of the Kashmir Files film from showing scenes depicting late IF Squadron leader Ravi Khanna in the movie, which will be released today. The order came after Nirmal Khanna, wife of the Indian Air Force officer, approached the court seeking removal or amendment of scenes depicting her husband, claiming it was contrary to facts. Ravi Khanna was one of the 4 IF personnel shot dead in Srinagar on January 25, 1990, allegedly by a group led by Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front Chief Yasin Malik. In the order, Additional District Judge Depicting said, given the facts as stated in the plaint, the defendants are restrained by the way of temporary injunction from showing the scenes depicting the acts pertaining to the husband of the plaintiff, namely Martyr Squadron leader Ravi Khanna in the movie The Kashmir Files. However, he said the order is subject to objections, alterations or modification, if any, by the other side. The court further observed that if no relief is granted to the applicant without serving prior notice of the application on the defendants, the suit of the applicant will become infructuous and hence would be defeated by delay. The movie is based on the exodus of Kashmiri Pandits from the valley and is directed by Vivek Agnihotri.